The governorship candidate of the Zenith Labour Party in the Anambra state governorship election is working closely with relevant political leaders in the state to win the November 6 contest. Obiora Okonkwo, while attending a special training organized for members of his campaign organization, announced Esom Nwafor-Orizu from Anambra South Senatorial District as the new Director General of his campaign council.
We have before us the new Director General of our campaign. Commitment right from the primary, going through thick and things. We are women compliant, we have our DG woman, we have our deputy governor woman. I hope all the women goes to Africa. If the women will even take the lead, who knows?
His Excellency with God and His majority.
Amen.
So we are moving with God. And anybody that is opposing us, anybody that is planning against us, is working against God. And for this campaign, for our team, you see what God will do with us. We're all going to be the campaign director together. All of us, you can say, tell me whatever you think that you can do or what you cannot do. So that the only thing I know that let's all play this ball to the goal and let us score. And by the grace of God, we're going to score in Jesus' name. Amen.
You can see what you see is what you get. We are not saying what we will do. They already have more affirmative. You have only one governorship candidate, which is me. You have woman deputy, you have woman DG, so I think it's all good. That's already action.
This is a continuous process. Because we've started before, I understand the terrain, and then we're going to move with God.
The ZLP flag bearer was also at the Holy Trinity Cathedral in Onitsha, where he met members of the Catholic Women Organization who are confident that Obiora Okonkwo will perform well if elected as governor.
Women will come. We have been looking for him, but thank God we have captured him because we are fighting to get him. But God has sent him out for us to see him today. So we are very happy. We are with him, not behind him. We are with him. We don't talk of party, we talk of personality. We talk about his person and not about party. We are supporting him because of his person.
Well, I think he's a very good candidate. And I think he will win the election. We are looking at the person, not the party. So I think he has a very good chance, yes.
My impression that Obiora is a good man. We will support him to the end.
So we welcome you here. The Catholics, you can see the number. Assistant Catholics, this is the center, it's the heart of the state. In terms of an organized political structure. This is number one structure.
The ZLP candidate concluded his consultations and meeting with a visit to the Tansi Major Seminary in Onitsha, where he told his audience, mostly catechists, about his plans for the state and how he intends to reposition Anambra with his 10-point agenda. The Labour Party candidate also promised to run an inclusive government with a commitment to appoint capable hands in his cabinet if elected.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.